Everything's getting better and better around here.
Good morning.
It is.
Truly honored to be here. I came with a similar question about food and then answered it myself on the way. And I thought that we would just co-create together in this space without an expectation of what I thought I needed to know. And I really just wanted to share the love and give you that chocolate that I think is what we're all here to do, is to share our love with each other.
What do you think about that chocolate?
And those 6 words that I put on the outside, which are choose love, be love, give love, seem to be an intention that I always intend to have with me in every thought and every word.
Well, those are certainly decisions that are conducive to keeping you, putting you, and practicing you, and keeping you in the receptive mode. So that's all good.
Yes.
Something specific?
Just to say hi and I love you.
You see, this is the best way to just move through life. Are you following what we're getting at? Sitting before infinite intelligence, we've got every answer to every question imaginable. And what he knows is the answers will come to him as he needs them. And all he needs to do is just be in the receptive mode, and whatever he needs, whenever he needs it, will be right there. And that is really what we're talking about all day, every day, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, really good.
Yes.
Really good. Better not.